Urban Gardening Thailand. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Mandevilla. And I love the big purple pink flowers that they make. And sometimes it's a bit problematic though to make cuttings from them. And now I know there's about 175 species of Mandevillas, and I don't know exactly which one this is, but this one has more of the woody stem, and some I believe are more viney. But I'm thinking that the method that we're going to be showing you today and the top secret revealed will be appropriate for any Mandevilla plant. As you can see, we're using the traditional method of growing cuttings. I've taken stem tips that are about 4 to 6 inches long, 10 to 15 centimeters, stripped off all the bottom leaves, and placed them in individual containers. You might also notice that I've also have put just enough water to cover the bottom node because root rot is our biggest concern here. So let's take a look at each one of these, and I started with 9, and let's look at each one of these. As you can see, that one's got really nice roots. Let's take a look at number 2. And that one is starting to get some really nice roots. Remember, this is 7 weeks worth of growth. That one's got amazing roots. As you can see, there's a real variation on how much roots were generated by these cuttings. Okay, let's look at number 4. Nice. Number 5. Ooh, that one's got a lot of roots, doesn't it? Number 6. Okay, that one's also got another nice long root. Number 7. Okay, that one doesn't have too much roots. As you can see, there's a lot of variation. Now, 2 of them didn't really make any roots at all. There is a lot of variation. So, the true secrets of growing Mandevilla cuttings revealed. The first secret is you need a lot of patience. Mandevilla cuttings are going to take at least 7 to 8 weeks to grow their root systems. Because they take a long time to grow roots, you're going to need diligence. Root rot is going to be your major enemy, so you need to be changing the water at least a couple times a week. You also need to make sure that the container doesn't start getting contaminated, and if it does, you need to either clean it or get a totally new container. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.